Right, today let's talk Foxy slingshots. Let's get right into it. Alright everyone, hope you are all safe and well. So today I'm going to talk about a builder or a custom slingshot builder, and his name is John, and that's Foxy Slingshots, and about my new build that just landed last week. Also my son has one of his new frames, and yeah, so we'll just go into that. So speaking to John, I wanted a new frame. There was a theme that I had in mind, so I sent it over to John, and he came back with different ideas, and I think he hit this one out of the ballpark, to be fair. He done a really good job, and it's one of John's designs. It's called a Vixen, and it's a great little design, and this is it. So yeah, so this is what we came up with. It's a theme of a hop, so it's so obviously hops what you make sort of beer out of. So a lot of the older generation would, you know, go hop picking and stuff, and yeah, this was the theme that I gave him. Something that my dad always liked, and did when he was younger, was hop picking, and this was the theme that I wanted. And I think John hit it out of the park. I'll stick a picture in of what I sent him, and this is what he came up with, and I think he did it perfectly. So we've got brass pins, brass mosaic horse, and then we've got G10 core and liners, a carbon fibre back, and then we've got acrylic face, and he sort of blended that in. He's done that nice. He's done a really good job. Yeah, I'm over the moon with that. He's got the old slanted tips as well. I'm a fan of those, and he done a great job. I'm not a wrap and tuck man, to be fair, but this frame is lovely, and the design, the Vixen design in general, is a lovely frame, and I think many people would find it suitable and very comfortable. It's a cracking frame, really like it. Again, John, thank you very much, mate. You did better than I imagined, to be honest. Thank you. And then this is my son's Vixen. So this is John's trademark colours. This is his for his logo design. So it's orange and black, and then we've got this is G10 core, and we've got a carbon back. I'm not sure on the front. I don't know if that's acrylic or not. I'll find out, and I'll put it in the description. But yeah, cracking little frame. This is my son's frame. So he's actually sponsored by Foxy Slingshot, so John did him a frame in his colours. So yeah, that's a cracking little frame. And then for my son's birthday, just gone, he wanted a slingshot, something fancy, and I spoke to John. And my boy, he's a big Marvel fan, like his dad, and he loves Deadpool. So I went to John and I said, what could you do? I thought he was just going to do, you know, like the Deadpool colours, black and red and all that. And well, I think he hit this one out in the ballpark as well. So this is a I think it's like a raptor design. And then we've got the Deadpool sort of badge or logo, and then we've got the sort of split face, and then we've got carbon. This is a clip frame, so obviously, as you can see, it's got carbon clips, carbon back, which obviously takes a good. Len has hit it a couple of times, a couple of 4 kits in it, but it's solid. I do take it, and brass pins as well. And the front's acrylic and a jade, and I think it's a G10 jade core in there. And there's some sort of liner in there as well. I'm not sure, that could be G10 as well. But yeah, cracking little frame. Again, John, done very good, mate. You listened to what I said and your ideas, mate. I just gave John full, like I did with this frame. I just said to him, look, here's the picture, here's the idea I wanted. I told him about Deadpool, and he just come up with it himself. That's what I like about him, is he totally takes charge of the design and that. And so after speaking to you, he listens, and yeah, I think he gets it right. And just a little shout out, I've done a video of this before, but this is a raptor John did for me ages ago, one of his first builds. And sort of back then he used to get the cores made, and then this is acrylic with brass pins. No, sorry, I don't think it is brass pins. No, sorry, stainless pins. But yeah, cracking little frame, one of his first. But you can see from then sort of to now, he's upped his game as John, and his own design as well. He's come on really well, and I'm pleased to see. Also, me and John have come together. We've come up with a little design, a new frame. It's going to be a nice pocketable little frame, totally ambidextrous, so left or right, and I think it's going to be a cracking little frame. So we're working on that, so watch this space. No doubt I'll have a prototype soon to have a look, and I'll stick it on the channel. And that's it for me for now. I'll just try and keep it short. And again, thanks for watching, everyone. If you do like what you see and you're not subscribed, please do, and click that like. And I'll see you all on the next one. And keep safe, everyone. Yeah.